Because we have customers all over the world, and we have distributors here in the US, of course, we have Canada, Australia, and the UK, some folks have a hard time finding foam rollers. And those are critical to achieving a good quality finish. It's how it's applied, and it's how you achieve that beautiful finish with very little effort. So I felt it was important to source quality foam rollers for my customers who can't get foam rollers. And in doing so, I found some really amazing rollers from Germany that are actually better than the ones I get here in the US. So I don't even use the ones I can get at Home Depot or Lowe's because these are so much better. And these are the ones I'm going to be using today. So what I've done is I've sourced the common 6-inch size, 4-inch, and 2-inch rollers. And they come in packs of 10, so this is a pack of 10 2-inch rollers. And what's nice about it is these have square corners. So if you do have a sink that does have square corners, you can get into those corners with these square foam covers. The 4-inch have a square back. Maybe it's useful, maybe it's not. And the 6 inches are nice and round. Now these have all the same size holes. They'll fit any kind of standard roller handle. But if you can't get foam rollers, you probably can't get handles. So we sell 6-inch, 4-inch, and 2-inch handles. And just to give you an idea of the difference, here's an old handle that I've had on for many years and a used roller cover that I got at some home center. Can't remember where, it doesn't matter. But you can see how visually they look sort of similar. And of course this is a tactile feel-o-vision because you can't feel what I'm feeling, but they feel substantially different. This is more like, it's not memory foam, but it feels more like memory foam. This feels like a cheap throw pillow. And if you look at the quality of the foam, you can see one's a lot denser than the other.